Hi, and welcome to 4607 Santa Cruz Avenue in beautiful South Ocean Beach, San Diego. Every once in a while, something special comes your way, and this home is just that. Talk about amazing, fantastic, forever protected views. This newly constructed home is a jaw-dropper. The panoramic, unobstructable, whitewater coastline, nightlight, and fireworks views will wow you. The Gourmet kitchen features internet-ready appliances, a huge island, backlit quartz counters, and killer views. This home is the epitome of open concept living, with sliding pocket doors that open to a 340 square foot covered view deck with an outdoor kitchen and pizza oven. It is perfect for entertaining family and friends while watching the sun set or enjoying your morning coffee as the sun rises overhead. The romantic primary suite features a walk-in closet, a spa-like bathroom, and an ocean view balcony. One of the things people love about this area is the ability for kids to walk to school. It is also close to dining, shopping, the public library, and all of our highly ranked area schools. Features include a reverse floor plan with 3+ bedrooms, 2.5 baths, luxury vinyl plank flooring, walls of glass, open concept living, and views from almost every room and deck. I think this is one of the best views I have ever seen in Ocean Beach. There is also a home office that can double as a 4th bedroom, an oversized attached 2-car garage, and a fireplace. The low-maintenance yards make living easy, and the options are endless. No fuss here. You can just lock and go without worrying. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. This coveted lot, perched high on the hill, has location, location, location. You are just blocks to the cafes, dining, and nightlife on Newport Avenue, and also just blocks to sandy beaches and world-famous Sunset Cliffs. Don't miss out. This one is utterly amazing, and it could be yours. Call me today to make this dream your reality.